YouTube isn't just a website, it's a global platform. It connects people from all corners of the world, transcending borders and languages. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, YouTube is there, bringing the world to your fingertips. Millions of people use it every day. They turn to YouTube for entertainment, education, and inspiration. It's a place where you can find a video on almost any topic imaginable, from cooking tutorials to space exploration. Why? To learn, to laugh, to connect. YouTube offers a unique blend of content that caters to every interest and age group. It's a platform where you can find a community that shares your passions and interests. You can be part of this world. By creating your own YouTube channel, you can share your voice and your vision with a global audience. It's an opportunity to express yourself and make an impact. You can share your passions and knowledge with the world. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or just passionate about a hobby, YouTube is the perfect platform to showcase your skills and interests. Creating a YouTube channel is exciting. It's a journey of creativity and discovery. From planning your content to filming and editing, every step is an opportunity to learn and grow. It's also easier than you think. With the right tools and guidance, you can create high-quality videos that engage and inspire your audience. You don't need expensive equipment or a professional studio to get started. This guide will help you launch your channel in just 4 weeks. We'll cover everything step by step, from setting up your channel to creating your first video. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. This week, we focus on the basics. You'll define your channel's purpose and gather the tools you need. Think about your passions. What do you love to talk about? What do you know a lot about? This could be anything: gaming, cooking, travel, makeup. The possibilities are endless. Next, think about your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests? Knowing your audience is key to creating content they'll love. There are many ways to share your passion on YouTube. You could make talking head videos where you speak directly to the camera. Vlogs are another great option to document your life and experiences. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different formats and see what works best for you. Learning from the pros is a great way to improve your own content. Take some time to explore YouTube and subscribe to channels in your niche. Pay attention to what they do well. What kind of content do they create? How do they interact with their viewers? Learning from successful YouTubers can give you valuable insights. Starting with simple equipment is perfectly fine. In fact, many successful content creators began their journey with just the basics. The key is to focus on your content and storytelling rather than getting bogged down by the lack of high-end gear. You don't need fancy gadgets to get going. Your smartphone, for instance, is a powerful tool that can shoot high-quality videos. With the right techniques, you can create professional-looking content without breaking the bank. Your smartphone camera is more than enough for now. Learn to maximize its potential by exploring different settings and features. Practice makes perfect. And soon you'll be able to produce videos that rival those made with more expensive equipment. However, good audio is crucial, so invest in a basic lavalier microphone. Clear audio can significantly enhance the viewer's experience, making your content more engaging and professional. It will make a big difference. Even a simple lavalier microphone can drastically improve the sound quality, ensuring your audience can hear you clearly without any distractions. And good lighting is also important. Natural light is best, and it's free. Position yourself near a window to take advantage of the soft, even lighting it provides. This can make your videos look more polished and visually appealing, but you can also use a simple ring light or a softbox. These affordable lighting options can help you achieve consistent lighting, especially if you're filming in low light conditions or at night. Remember, the goal is to make your content look as good as possible with the resources you have. This week is all about setting up your channel and creating your first videos. Crafting your channel's identity is a crucial step. It's the foundation upon which your entire online presence will be built. Your channel needs a name, a profile picture, and banner art. These elements are the first things viewers will notice, so they need to be memorable and professional. Choose a catchy name that reflects your content. It should be easy to remember and spell, and ideally it should give viewers a hint about what your channel is all about. Your profile picture should be clear and recognizable. This image will represent you across the platform, so make sure it's high quality and reflects your brand's personality. The banner art is the large image at the top of your channel page. It's a great opportunity to showcase your brand's style and give viewers a sense of what to expect from your content. It should be visually appealing and represent your brand. Consistency is key, so make sure your banner art, profile picture, and channel name all work together to create a cohesive identity. Think about the colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic you want to use. These elements should be consistent across all your branding materials to create a strong, recognizable identity. Finally, don't be afraid to evolve your channel's identity over time. As you grow and learn more about your audience, you may find that certain elements need to be updated or refined. Keep an eye on feedback and be willing to make changes to better connect with your viewers. Aim to create at least 3 to 5 videos before you launch your channel. This gives viewers something to watch right away. Choose topics you're passionate about. Write a simple script or outline to keep you on track. Practice your delivery and make sure you're comfortable in front of the camera. Introducing your channel with a trailer is a great way to attract new viewers. A channel trailer is a short video that introduces your channel to new viewers. It should be engaging and highlight your best content. Keep it concise and to the point. End with a clear call to action, such as asking viewers to subscribe. Week 3, Content Creation and Strategy. Now that your channel is up and running, it's time to focus on creating high-quality content. The power of batch filming. Batch filming is a huge time saver. It involves filming multiple videos in one session. Choose a day to film, plan your outfits, and set up your filming space. This allows you to be more efficient with your time and maintain consistency. Evergreen content versus trending topics. Evergreen content remains relevant over time. For example, a tutorial on how to edit photos is always helpful. Trending topics are time-sensitive, such as a review of the latest gadget. It's good to have a mix of both on your channel. Short-form videos like YouTube Shorts are incredibly popular. They're a great way to reach a wider audience. Create short, attention-grabbing videos that showcase your personality and content style. This week, we'll focus on getting your videos seen by more people. Eye-catching thumbnails. Your first impression. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so make them count. They should be visually appealing and accurately represent your video's content. Use bright colors, bold text, and high-quality images. Mastering YouTube SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's essential for getting your videos found on YouTube. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Think about what people would search for to find your content. Getting the word out. Promotion strategies. Share your videos on your other social media platforms. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Building a community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. Don't forget, consistency is key. Launching a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. The key is to be consistent with your uploads and always strive to improve your content. Listen to your audience's feedback and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and share your passions with the world. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more info. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.